Yo, what is going on, guys? It's Jave or Javen, and this is my first vlog. So today me and my friend DJ, or I'm Smokey Bear, you guys probably seen my other videos, but we're gonna go riding today. So yeah, he's getting ready right now, so I'll see you guys when he's ready. Alright guys, so I'm heading to Walmart right now to meet up with DJ, and we're probably just gonna go in there, grab some stuff, try to get kicked out. I don't know, it's usually what we do, but yeah, I'm heading there now. It's probably like a 10-minute bike ride. So yeah. Hey guys, I'm using my phone to record these vlogs, so I don't know if it's good audio or good quality. I'm pretty sure it's pretty good quality. I'm not sure about the audio. My bike's really fucking loud, so I don't know if you can hear me that well. I'm riding on my premium Solo. It's all fucking painted like turquoise and shit. I'm gonna get it probably like powder coated, like a nice green or a nice blue. Oh, fucking people keep looking at me all weird, and it's kind of funny. Dude, fucking driving a minivan. It's kind of funny because I live in a hick town, so like a lot of people keep looking at me pretty weird. It's kind of funny actually. Alright, so I'm in the back of Walmart right now, looking for DJ. I don't know where he's at yet, but usually he's over here, so I'll probably find him in just a second. It's actually really nice out, and the snow just like all melted, and the wind and the rain died down, so it's actually really nice out today. I mean, the wind keeps picking up a little bit, but that's fine. We're gonna put our bikes over here. Alright. Bane. Oh yeah, dude. Drop penis.
Oh.
No.
Mine's broken. I need a new one. Look.
Yeah, I need to go see if they have pop sockets here. The pillows, I see them. We should take a ball and just boom. Yeah, but here's the pillows, man.
Fatty dick.
Why am I one that dropped it on all of them going that way? Okay. That's my final product. That's pretty neat. That's pretty neat. I broke it, and I wasn't even recording that. Nice. Goodbye. I'm actually really hungry. Let's go get some stuff to snack on.
Okay. Well,
Yeah, that's what I wear. Should we get like Takis? Dude, I hate holding it up here. Watch all the people look at me. Watch it. Watch. Sorry. Hello. Okay. Hi. Hi. It's actually really nice out.
pretty neat on the rebound.
Alright guys, so we're done with Walmart, and now we're gonna head to Humane Jumps. It's like a whole bunch of jumps, and they're really fucking huge. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I get there. Alright guys, so we're at the Humane Jumps, and it's actually kind of getting windy, so I'm gonna have to stop recording soon. I might do a little bit of jumping, but I'm not sure. It's probably not packed down because it just got done with winter, so it's probably all fucking, well, it might actually just be rock. I don't know. But we're just gonna ride a little bit, and I'll get back to you guys when we get to DJ's house. Alright guys, so we're done at Humane's now. We're gonna head back to DJ's house. It was a pretty good sesh actually. I mean, all the jumps aren't really ready for the summer yet because all the snow just melted. I mean, it was pretty hard ground. Otherwise, it wouldn't have been fun. But yeah, it was pretty fun. So we're gonna head back to DJ's house now. Alright guys, that's the end of the vlog. If you guys enjoyed this video, drop a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.
It's like I woke up from a nightmare. It's like I woke up from a nightmare. Because I finally got away from you. And I ain't never going back there. If it's the last thing I'll ever do. But now it's all